Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Smartsheet Control Center settings and reports, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Smartsheet Control Center settings and reports, first, log into your Smartsheet account. Access the Control Center dashboard by selecting it from your available workspaces. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the upper right corner. Click on the settings icon to enter the Control Center settings. In the Settings menu, locate the Backup option. Select Backup to initiate the process. You will see a list of all your current settings and reports. Review the items you wish to backup from this list. Once you have made your selections, click on the Download button. This will prepare a zip file containing your selected settings and reports. Depending on the size of your selections, this might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, locate the zip file in your computer's Downloads folder. It is advisable to store this backup in a secure location. For future restorations, remember the location of your backup file. To restore your settings, return to the Control Center settings page. Find the Restore option within the Settings menu. Click on Restore and upload the zip file you previously downloaded. Follow the prompts to complete the restoration process. Confirm that your settings and reports have been successfully restored in the dashboard. Review your reports and settings for accuracy to ensure everything is in order. This step-by-step process ensures you maintain a backup of your Smartsheet Control Center settings and reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.